Model, 66-plate Ford Ranger Double Cab 4x4 Limited 1.3, 2 TDCI 200 PS a ULEZ Euro 6 VAT included. Body, black 4x4. Mileage, 90,312. MOT, 1st of October 2024. Engine, 3198 cc 3.2200 PS TDCI S6. Transmission, auto. Mechanical summary, none runner. The engine is in the back, will need an engine replacement, or ideally the head has been removed and has damaged piston. Everything is there, nothing is missing. Nice clean professional job, just put another engine in it and you'll have a bargain grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, cruise control, sat-nav, aircon. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £13,095 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.